All right, so again, here's a problem, number 6, and we want to solve by completing the square. So again, I'm going to complete the square on these first two terms. I like to use the area model. So then I get x squared, and then half of 2 is 1, so I just have x and x, it's positive. So this is going to be x plus 1, x plus 1. 1 times 1 is what? 1. So this number on this side has to be 1. Well, to get this to be 1, what do I have to do is add 71. If I add 71, what do I have to do to the other side? Add 71. So when I do that, I end up with x squared plus 2x plus 71. Nope, that's not 71. What is that now? Negative 70 plus 70 is 1 equals 9 plus 71, which is 70. Nope, is 80. Right? All right. So we've made our perfect square. And so the whole reason we did that is because it's going to make it, the factors are perfect squares, so x plus 1 squared equals 80. Then I want to take the square root of both sides. So then I get the absolute value of x plus 1 equals the square root of 80. Now at this point, I like to simplify the square root of 80. And remember, we're looking for the largest perfect squares. So 1 plus 80, or 1 times 80, 2 times 40, 3 doesn't go into it, 4 times 20, 5 times 16. Okay, so I could keep going, but I know 16 is going to be the largest perfect square. And so remember the square root of 16 and the square root of 5. So the square root of 16 is 4 root 5. So when we simplify the square root of 80, that's 4 root 5. And then I'm leaving it in exact form because you need to know how to work with exact form. You could change it, but I want my answers in exact form. So your answer should look like this. So then we've got the absolute value. So it's going to be x plus 1 equals positive 4 square root 5, or x plus 1 equals negative 4 root 5. So x equals negative 1 plus 4 square root 5, or x equals negative 1 minus 4 root 5. So then you could leave your answers this way, right? Or you could say x equals negative 1 plus or minus 4 root 5. Either answer is acceptable, and these answers are in exact form, which is what I asked for.